In this week's Free Fusion 360 training for beginners from the Maker Letters, you will learn how to create flanges. This great and fun feature will open up a lot of opportunities for you. Add this to your toolbox and work with sheet metal. What is the first thing you notice when you look at this body? Correct. The symbol under bodies tells us this is not sheet metal. Go to the sheet metal tab, create and convert your body to sheet metal. We'll just go by the rules here. I covered this more in depth in another video you find in the playlist. Now you are ready to create flanges. Important advice coming up here. You can select one edge or several. You can work with different rules. Try to do a symmetric flange. You can type distance, height datum, bend position, and even flip the flange. Thank you for watching and see you in another video.